Hello people, Corey Kevin. This is where I'm staying at the Guesthouse, and that's the phone number. I stayed here near enough 3 months. I'm on the 3rd floor. To get in, you just
Unlocked.
it says unlocked. And the stairs to go up. You've got number 1 here. I think it's best if you come here, stay on number 2, number 4 or number 6. It's less noisy, but it's still not too bad though. The sheets get changed every 2-3 days. You get a pack of 12 water. Room's cleaned, like it's saying, every 2 days as well. So it's pretty good, matter of fact. A nice TV, Wi-Fi. This is my bedroom. Got a king bed, a 43-inch TV, toilet, sink, hot shower. Water. This is what you get in the water. Pack of them. Every 3 days. You've got your own broadband, which is not too bad. Sometimes it's a pain. You've got your aircon. And you've got your lovely balcony. You know what sea view, so if you go out there and look that way, that's the sea. I paid £1,065 for 83 days. It works out round about £5.50, I think, £5.50 back a day. So you can't moan really in that respect. It's pretty good, and the aircons, and it's all brand spanking new. When I come here, that had the cellophane on, I'd do that. The bed still had its plastic on, and even here, look, you can see the nails have been taken off, so you can't really moan. So I was really intrigued with the first one in here. Look, you still got the old cellophane around that. So no, it's well worth it. The bed's nice as well, medium. So what more do you want? Okay, hope you like it. This is my accommodation, which will be ending very shortly. Bye for now.